What if upgrading your cooking didn't require new appliances, new cookware, or hours of training, but simply a knife set that cuts cleaner, faster, and safer than anything you've used before? That's exactly why the Home Hero Ultra Sharp Stainless Steel Knife Set has become one of the most talked about kitchen essentials online. Today, we're breaking down why this 11-piece black knife set is quietly becoming the go-to choice for home cooks, busy parents, college students, and anyone who wants a stylish, high-performance kitchen upgrade without a premium price tag. A knife set built for real home cooking. Most knife sets look good on the counter, but fall apart in real use. Dull edges, slippery handles, uneven cuts, and blades that rust far too quickly. The Home Hero set was designed to be the opposite. It's intentionally built for actual kitchens, real cooking, and everyday meals. Inside the set, you get every essential blade you need: an 8-inch chef knife for daily chopping, an 8-inch carving knife for meats, an 8-inch bread knife with a serrated edge, a 5-inch utility knife for fruits and snacks, a 4-inch paring knife for precision work. Each knife comes with its own fitted sheath, giving you safety, protection, and long-term durability straight out of the box. You're not just getting tools, you're getting a full cutting system that's designed to stay sharp, stay balanced, and stay beautiful on your kitchen counter for years. The stainless steel difference. The heart of the Home Hero set is the material. These blades are created using 3CR13 stainless steel, a durable high-carbon alloy known for its sharp edges, smooth slicing, and long-term resistance to wear and corrosion. Why does this matter? Because not all stainless steel is created equal. Cheap knives bend or chip, others dull quickly, but this alloy strikes the perfect balance between sharpness and strength. You feel it the first time you make a clean cut through a tomato without crushing the skin, or slice through chicken breast without jagged tears. It's the kind of quality that makes prep quicker and your food presentation better, without requiring professional-level skills. Each blade also features a non-stick coating inspired by the sleek look of Damascus-style finishing. Not only does it look modern and premium, but it prevents ingredients from clinging to the blade. No more onions glued to the side of your knife, no more fighting with sticky slices of cucumber. Just smooth, uninterrupted cutting. Safety, comfort, and control. Home Hero didn't just focus on sharpness. They engineered the handle for comfort, grip, and balance. The three things that keep your hands safe while cutting. The ergonomic handle fits naturally in your palm, reducing wrist fatigue during long meal prep sessions. This matters more than most people realize. A poorly balanced knife makes your hand work harder, forces awkward angles, and increases the risk of slips. But a properly balanced knife feels almost weightless. The included 2-stage sharpener, the secret weapon. Here's something most knife sets never include: a tool that keeps your investment sharp. The Home Hero set has a 2-stage sharpener designed to restore the blades when they fade over time. Stage 1 reshapes the edge. Stage 2 polishes it to razor-fine sharpness. Most people don't realize this, but a knife is only as safe as it is sharp. Dull knives slip, sharp knives grip. A set that looks as good as it performs. Let's talk design, because the black finish on this set isn't just a trend. It looks elegant, modern, and expensive, making it perfect for gifting. But more importantly, it's functional. The coating reduces friction, prevents food from sticking, and adds an extra layer of protection. Why people love it: value, performance, and simplicity. What makes this set a standout isn't just the sharpness or the sleek look. It's the value. The Home Hero set offers everything you need with none of the unnecessary extras. It's reliable, it's durable, it's beginner-friendly. If you want great performance without the high-end price tag, this set deserves a spot in your drawer, or better yet, on your counter.